Hi, today we have another great challenge. What we have to do is to write a function that takes a list of words and we have to return them as a string. But note, there shouldn't be a space at the beginning or the end of the sentence. Well, let's start with a kind of naive way. There's a built-in method to get this done, but I want to start off with the manual method. So what we can do is to create an empty string. Then we have to iterate through the list. So for word in words, let's print the values. Hello world, this is great. What I want to do is to collect them in the empty string, like this. So string plus equal sign word. And this will add them to the empty string. Let's return the string now. We are heading in that right direction. This is the string we are looking for, but we have to add some spaces. So plus spaces. And this looks even better. There's no space at the start, but maybe at the end. We can strip it off with the built-in strip method like this. And that should remove all the white spaces. So let's test this out. Perfect. Let's comment this out. Alternatively, we can convert the list of words to a string with the join method. At first, we need to specify how we want to separate the words. For this occurrence, we need to separate them by a white space. Then we use .join, and then we have to give in the argument words. Let's return that, and that should work out as well. There we go. I hope this has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.